The bad Checksum RTC Battery Low 0251 error on Toshiba laptops indicates a problem with the BIOS. This is often caused by a failing RTC battery or a corrupted BIOS checksum. The RTC battery maintains the date, time, and BIOS settings when the laptop is off. When it's low, settings are lost and a checksum error occurs, halting the boot process. This error is hardware-related and typically affects older Toshiba models. The primary cause of the 0251 error is a depleted RTC battery, usually a CR2032 coin cell. A low battery prevents the BIOS from retaining settings, leading to a checksum mismatch upon startup. The BIOS calculates a hash called a checksum of its settings. Any discrepancy in this calculation triggers the 0251 error. Power outages can also accelerate battery drain and induce corruption. Before starting the repair, ensure the laptop is completely powered off. Unplug the power cord and remove the main battery to prevent any electrical issues. Gather the necessary tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a new CR2032 battery, and anti-static protection. Be cautious of static electricity, which can damage sensitive components. Finally, back up any important data if you can access the system. Open the laptop casing to access the motherboard. The RTC battery is a small, circular battery, often held in a clip. Carefully detach the old battery. Note its orientation, plus side up. Install the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Some guides suggest using conductive foam instead of jumpers for CMOS reset, an adaptable DIY method that has a high success rate based on community feedback. After replacing the battery, you may need to reset the CMOS to clear any corrupted settings. This can be done by locating the CMOS jumper on the motherboard. Consult your laptop's service manual for the exact location. Short the jumper for 30 to 60 seconds. This discharges the CMOS memory, clearing corrupted data. Alternatively, removing the RTC battery for a longer period achieves a similar effect. Always ensure the laptop is unplugged during this process to avoid electrical hazards. After resetting the CMOS and replacing the RTC battery, boot into BIOS setup by pressing F2 or Del during startup. Once in BIOS, navigate to the Main or System Information tab. Use arrow keys to highlight the date and time settings, then enter the correct current date and time. While in BIOS, check that other settings like boot order are appropriate for your system. Ensure the primary boot device is set to your hard drive or SSD. Once settings are correct, save the changes by pressing F10 or navigating to the Exit menu and selecting Save Changes and Exit. After saving and exiting BIOS, the laptop should boot normally into your operating system without displaying the 0251 error. If the 0251 error persists after the repair, double-check that the new RTC battery has the correct voltage and is installed with proper polarity. Also verify that the CMOS reset was completed correctly by ensuring the jumper was shorted or battery removed for the full recommended time. If the error continues despite these checks, professional servicing from a qualified technician may be necessary to avoid further damage. To prevent future 0251 errors, consider using smart battery monitors that can track your RTC battery's health in real time. Additionally, regularly backing up your BIOS settings can help mitigate issues if settings become corrupted.